Hello everybody, welcome to Richmond's place. Matt here, and today we're gonna start putting up the cattle panel. This morning we've already picked it up. Picked up 25 panels and we'll start putting those up today. I'll show you the panels here. I used my pontoon trailer to haul the panels. So now that we have the panels here, I'll start assembling them. You can watch me assemble some of those, and it's not too hard. We're using zip ties to assemble the panels onto the T-posts, so it makes it really fast. Okay, you get these undone here. These retractable, I got this at Tractor Supply, these retractable. Those are really nice. I have to buy me some more of them. I mean, they really work, they retract, everything works good on them. Okay, we get zip ties, cattle panel.
Got it where you want it?
Yeah, you want to zip tie them in while I'm grabbing them and putting them up. Do the bottom and middle.
You did do this one?
I didn't do the bottom. All right, zip tie. Honey?
Well, I was waiting for you. You were trying to get that just right.
Yep. Nothing to this stuff. I was talking to the our audience. I was telling our audience there's nothing to this stuff.
Is that even on?
Yeah. Yep.
Looks like it's closed.
It's open. Stuff's pretty easy to work with. We just zip tie it on. Pull it tight. Brush these wet gloves. You have to lift up the other end.
Hold on a second. Let me get on the other side.
I'm going to show you how we burn the holes in to put the post. When we burn a hole in this fabric, we use a little butane torch. It seems to do the job well. We bought you can buy them at Walmart, Aco, Amazon, any of the box stores. Show you how this works. And we know the panel is 16 feet long. And we're putting a post every 4 feet. This is what we're using to burn the holes in. This trigger, you just click it and it gets hot. And then we drive the post. All right, now that we've finished putting the sides up, we've already started putting the what do you want to call that? The top?
Trellis. An arch?
Ah. Okay, now that we've got the most of the sides put up, we've already started putting the arch up, and we've gotten the first 3 sections. We wanted to see how it went before we started filming, or I forgot filming. I'm not sure which. As you can see, with the trellis going over the top. Got the archways going in. We're going to film the next one. Flip it up towards me. Alright, let's do this side first. Too far. You're coming around too far. You do. Rebecca, come here. Hold this side. All right, let's walk it up. Okay, gonna pick up. All right, we're gonna wrap it up for a night. It's sun's going down, but it's starting to get a little chilly. Today's high was only in around 62, I think. So it's been chilly here all day. Starting to really chill down now. We did get a lot of the fencing up, and it looks pretty good. I got to do some touch up tomorrow morning, and then we got to finish the archway. I'll show you here what that looks like. And we did finish this corner up here. So all the cattle panels up now. The archway is starting to come together. We've got more to put up yet. Takes 3 people to make that happen. Might be able to do it with 2, but it's easier with 3. So I gotta thank my son Tobias for his help today. That was really awesome. Here's the rest of the cattle panel we got to put up. We unloaded it off the trailer, put the trailer up, we put everything else up for the night. And this is, I just wore out. But I'm enjoying it. I might be wore out, but I am enjoying this. It's beautiful. We're gonna have lots of vegetables. If you like this channel, please subscribe and like, share it with people. Go on our journey with us through our experiences, not just with the garden, but with the chickens. We're going to be bringing on meat chickens and pigs next, but my wife decided, her and I decided, hey, we want to get this garden going and going right. Last year, the garden was okay, but we had problems with animals, we had problems with weeds, we had problems with too much water all at the same time. Therefore that's why we got the grass in between the rows to help with that. Plus I like to mow between the rows. And we're putting in a drip irrigation so that we don't have to go up dragging sprinklers and hoses all around. It's a lot of area to cover. So we've kind of decided, hey, we're gonna fix all this stuff And then we're going to move on to some of the new things that we want to go on, which is the meat chickens and the pigs. And we're probably going to increase our egg laying flock as well. So go on our journey with us. Subscribe, like, share. God bless, and have a great night.